I just watched my vacuum climb the stairs. This isn't a robot, it's an animal. Stop carrying your vacuum upstairs. This robot just grew legs and it's climbing them for you. Feature the Saros rover. It uses a 10 TOPS AI chip to navigate. It doesn't just avoid obstacles, it steps over them. It turns 90 degrees to clean every single step. The Turner angle. Is it creepy? A little. Is it the end of manual cleaning? Definitely. It's the smartest hardware of 2026. The verdict. Pricey, but revolutionary. The Turner verdict? Buy it and never touch a broom again. Subscribe for more.